Hello.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, please. I not know how scan this item.
You don't know how to scan this item?
Yes, this is my first time using this machine.
No problem. First, take your item and find the barcode.
Barcode? What is barcode?
The barcode is the black and white lines on the package.
Oh, I see it now.
Great. Now hold the barcode under the red light.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. Now you will hear a beep.
I hear beep. It work.
It works. Now you can scan the next item.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, welcome to our food truck. How can I help you?
I want know today's special.
You want to know today's special?
Yes, what is special food today?
Today's special is chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos? It is spicy?
Is it spicy? No, it is not very spicy.
That is good. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $5 for 2 tacos.
I take 2 tacos, please.
Great. Would you like a drink?
Yes, I want 1 cola.
1 cola. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You're learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food and have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the pickup counter. How can I help you?
I come to take my order.
You came to pick up your order?
Yes, I ordered online yesterday.
You ordered online yesterday? What is your name, please?
My name is Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Do you have your order number?
Yes, here is my number.
Great. Let me check. Yes, your order is ready.
Thank you. I not do this before.
You have not done this before? No problem. It is easy.
What I do next?
What do I do next? Just sign here, please.
Okay, I sign. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Here is your package.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day and enjoy your order.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the bus card office. How can I help you?
I want to put money on my card.
You want to put money on your card?
Yes, I not know how to do.
You don't know how to do it. No problem. Do you have your travel card?
Yes, here is my card.
Great. How much money do you want to add?
I want to add $10.
You want to add $10. That's fine. Please give me your card.
Here you are. I pay with cash.
You pay with cash? That's okay. I will recharge your card now.
Thank you. How I check my balance?
How do I check my balance? You can check it at the machine or ask here.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip on the bus.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Pet Cafe. How can I help you?
I want to buy a snack for my dog.
You want to buy a snack for your dog?
Yes, he come with me today.
That's great. We have special snacks for dogs.
You have drink for dogs too?
Do you have drinks for dogs too? Yes, we have dog milk and water.
My dog like milk. Is it safe?
Your dog likes milk? Yes, our dog milk is safe for pets.
How much costs the snack?
How much does the snack cost? It is $2.
I take 1 snack and 1 milk, please.
Great. Anything for you?
Yes, I want coffee.
1 coffee for you, 1 snack, and 1 milk for your dog. Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you. I try every day.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your time at the Pet Cafe.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a fun day with your dog.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the recycling event. How can I help you?
I want recycle my old phone.
You want to recycle your old phone?
Yes, but I not know where to put it.
You don't know where to put it? No problem. Electronics go in the blue box over there.
Only phones in blue box?
Not only phones, you can put computers and tablets there too.
I have old charger also. Can I put?
Can I put it? Yes, you can put chargers in the blue box too.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for recycling your electronics.
I want help the planet.
That's wonderful. Every little bit helps.
I feel happy to recycle.
You should. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to our coworking space. How can I help you?
I want to rent a desk.
You want to rent a desk?
Yes, I need quiet place to work.
No problem. We have many desks. Do you want to rent for 1 day or 1 week?
I want for 1 week.
You want it for 1 week. That's great. It is $50 for 1 week.
The desk have internet?
Does the desk have internet? Yes, we have fast Wi-Fi.
I need printer also.
You need a printer also? Yes, you can use the printer here.
How I pay?
How do I pay? You can pay with cash or card.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy working here.
Thank you. I am happy to start.
That's great. Have a good week.
Hello.
Hi, are you looking for a book?
Yes, I want to borrow a book from this box.
You want to borrow a book from this box?
Yes, but I not know how.
You don't know how? It's easy. Just open the box and take a book you like.
I need to write my name.
No, you don't need to write your name. This is a free library.
How I return the book.
How do I return the book? Just bring it back and put it in the box.
I can bring other books too?
Yes, you can bring other books to share with people.
That is nice. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your book and happy reading.
Thank you. I will read every day.
That's wonderful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Vaccination Center. How can I help you?
I want to ask about vaccine.
You want to ask about the vaccine?
Yes, I not know my schedule.
You don't know your schedule? No problem. What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Let me check. You have your first dose next Monday.
And second dose?
And the second dose. It is 3 weeks after the first dose.
I need bring anything?
Do I need to bring anything? Yes, please bring your ID card.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you next Monday for your vaccine.
Thank you. I will come.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the weather desk. How can I help you?
I want to know about today weather.
You want to know about today's weather?
Yes, I go outside and not want rain.
You are going outside and you don't want rain? Let me check. Today is sunny with no rain.
It is hot today?
Is it hot today? Yes, it will be warm, about 28 degrees.
I need take umbrella.
Do I need to take an umbrella? No, you don't need an umbrella today.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the sunny day.
Thank you. I am happy now.
That's great. Have a nice day.
You too.